Okay, hello guys. I'm Karthik, and I'm recording this video because in the form it was mentioned that like we were supposed to share some talk or some sort of a speech from a technical event that we organized or we spoke into. So I did not have any of those things. I've attended a lot of workshops, I've been to a lot of hackathons and all these places, but I've never hosted or like explained a lot of technical stuff publicly. But I'm definitely interested in doing that, and I have like a project of mine that I've been working on. So I can give a quick overview, a technical overview of what I'm building. So yeah, so it's a audio transcription pipeline. What does it do? How it all works? It's like a Okay, so basically, if I, for example, want to upload an audio file of a podcast and get the transcriptions, so what I'll do as a client is I, as a client, come on this platform, I create an account, the server updates the client data in the database, and after the client is logged in, then what the server will do is client will send a request that I want to upload an audio file. Then the server will request a URL from Supabase, and it will give a bucket URL back to the client, and the client then will upload directly to the bucket. The server will not upload the big audio files because over here, so we cannot keep like the server busy. And then after we are done with uploading our audio files to the bucket, once we upload the audio files, once the upload of the audio files to the bucket is complete, the bucket will trigger a webhook. This webhook is going to call an API on the server, and the server API will sort of push that audio file to a queue. And this queue is like a Redis IO queue, and a worker associated with it. Like every time push happens, the worker will sort of pick that as the worker is subscribed to the queue. The worker will pick that file and try and process it. And over here, for the transcriptions, we are going to use something like Whisper or Assembly AI, and we're going to outsource the transcriptions part inside the worker. And if the worker fails to process the job, it pushes it to the dead queue. Otherwise, it moves and uh, it moves that audio file transcriptions to the bucket, to a separate bucket. And if that bucket gets inserted, the audio transcription gets inserted to the bucket, this bucket also triggers another webhook. This webhook now does a few things, which is calling an API, which sends a push notification either via some sort of another client service, which is your SNS Firebase, or either I'm thinking of having it directly through the workers. But for now, I think an API call should be fine. It will update the records in the database, and it will also send back the transcription to the client and a push notification as well. And the main thing over here is it's like a very simple problem to solve, but we have to think of a lot of use cases where when to auto scale up and auto scale down the workers, and when to add and remove the load balance, basically handle the traffic on the servers. So, like this is a quick technical overview of what I'm building. Uh, it can be a lot more engineered in a lot of ways, but I think it's fine. Yeah, thank you. Okay, hello guys, I'm Karthik, and I'm recording this video because in the form it was mentioned that like we were supposed to share